Today at Glenn Gould, we are having the Wellness Day for the intermediates and juniors, where we have planned events to make it fun for us.
They are doing yoga, so sort of working on the body. There's spoken word, there's beatboxing, there's breakdancing. So just sort of different ways to engage students in ways that can make them feel good and to have a good time.
We had Unity Charity come to our school. I would say their message to us was that the more you expand your comfort zone and get out of it and come right back in, the more it'll be easier for you as you grow up to fit in and find your way through obstacles in your life.
I'm a artist educator for Unity Charity. What we all try to do in our workshops is just about like the idea of mental health and the benefit for mental health and being aware of mental health, especially for the youth. And by doing so, like, we use our art forms, we use hip hop culture, we use that as like a catalyst in a sense to have them express creativity and just have a space for them to be themselves or try to find stuff that they're interested in. Like in our assembly, we talked a lot about resiliency and taking risks and trying new things, like expanding our comfort zone, right?
We wanted to make sure we had some events that were relevant and engaging for all age groups. So we had specific events for our kindergarten students that were also student-led, which was great for leadership. Then we had a separate day for our primary students where they engaged in events like karate or wellness tasks. And then today is our junior intermediate day, which we focused on their needs, their interests, and finding ways to provide wellness opportunities for them.
From my perspective, I think it's going to help students with their mental health and just being themselves, bringing them happiness. It's always important. You don't know what students are going through and they won't express it, just like me. And I think this day helps with being themselves, being happy, showing who you are to others.
Regardless of what age you are, I think it's important when you implement that kind of mindset to the younger generation, because the earlier you're aware of it, like, the easier it is you develop as a person, the easier it is you start to find yourself. And that's kind of what we try to do with our workshops.
I think it's important for them to see other opportunities. There are some students that maybe have never experienced karate, or never have tried yoga, or maybe have never heard of spoken word. So these are opportunities for them to work with their peers in something that they've never tried before, in a safe space that's engaging, that also gives them some more tools in their toolbox on how to cope with sort of the stresses of life.